What's going on, guys? Hey, so a quick little tip on a penny stock that has potential. Again, no guarantees on any of these investments, but this one is quite interesting, and I'll tell you why. Um, Pharmaceuticals are big right now. This company in particular, it's been around for 20 years. If we go to the max chart, at one point in time, this company was worth something, right? I'm not sure why. I didn't do um, in-depth research back, but I would recommend if you do buy it, go into the history and look into that research. Why was this company worth so much? They probably had a drug or something that they manufactured that was in high demand for a period of time, and it looks like they got demolished during the last crash. So, and then since then they just slowly trickled down to nothing. And but why it's interesting today is that if we look at the historical, since it really trickled down, it's they recently released a sanitizer that was proven in studies here. It's well, you guys can't see the screen, but let's see. Announces the launch of Aviona on Walmart.com, increasing the availability of its unique facial sanitizer, confirmed through independent laboratory testings to kill SARS-CoV-2 virus on hard surfaces. So basically, they just got a product approved on Walmart that is very promising in the sanitizer space for coronavirus. So at 92 cents a share, it's worth taking a little bit of a risk on. The revenue jumped. If we look into this, you can see that their revenue jumped to just under 4 million. Previously, they've been hovering around 1.6, 1.8. So that nearly doubled. And that's typically a good sign. It means that they're generating new sources of income. This company has potential. Again, this is a speculative investment. I want you guys to think about, the difference between long-term and speculative investments is, these penny stocks are these stocks that have the potential to really grow into something massive. I don't think, it's tough to say. A lot of times once a stock goes down, then it's, basically a company that's risking death. They hit about 31 cents before they jumped up to $1.50, and then it's just been volatile in between that dollar to $1.50 range. So, but at 92 cents, I think it's worth a shot if this company has any semblance of coming back to life. If you can see a 3, 4, 5, maybe even a $8 stock anytime in the future, you can make a pretty decent return on your money. Again, the likelihood is minimal, but I would say this is definitely one to put on your watch list, just as a result of they're starting to play ball in the coronavirus field, which as we can see now that's not going away, and there's a lot of government mandates to utilize certain protocols for sanitizing. So NovaBay Pharmaceuticals, again, that ticker, nice, and New York Stock Exchange, NBY, and we're currently at 92 cents. So again, speculative growth play, not my typical approach to stock investing, but when you see something that has potential to make you a 4 or 5x return, it's worth taking a look at and following. So I hope you guys put in the comments below, like what are some stocks that you're following from a growth perspective, and subscribe to the channel if you like the content. Give me a like, and put some comments below of any stocks that you guys think that you want me to analyze. So that's it for today. Have a good weekend.